Alright, today I want to show you a really simple, quick tip that should turn your basses up, make them louder just by like a tiny bit, like a few dB, but it makes a pretty big difference overall for your mix down when you use this technique a lot. So this is what it sounds like before and after. And if you listen to this soft, you may not be able to actually hear much of a difference, but what's happening is the actual peaks of these sounds are the exact same. So if you look here, they're both hitting at 0 dB. The difference is that one of them is using up all the space in the available headroom it has. And you can see that clearly on the waveforms. This is the reason why symmetrical waveforms are so helpful. It's because you have the ability to actually make use of the top and bottom of your waveforms and subsequently giving a sound that is perceived to be louder, even if the peaks are the same as the original. So I use a plugin called Phase Adjustment, and I'll leave a link in the description obviously. And all this does is it's like an advanced version of reversing the polarity of your waveforms, where you can actually do a 360 degree movement with it. So if you look at this analyzer here, as I move this, let me play it, you can slowly start to move it towards the middle. So I leave it around there, and then I'll export that out. Generally when exporting I kind of leave a bit of room just in case there's a bit of bleeding and stuff. And now we have this waveform, and then you just normalize it and it's a bit louder. And you can do a bit of fine adjusting here because as you can see there's still a bit of space available there, so I didn't do it exactly perfectly. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.